In this video, we outline a practical step-by-step guide for collecting targeted email addresses free of charge, emphasizing ethical and legal considerations throughout the process. Set your goal. Define your primary goal for collecting emails, such as building an email list for marketing your products or services. Identify your target audience. Determine the identity of the individuals or companies you want to communicate with via email. Use social media. Search for your target individuals or companies on social media platforms such as LinkedIn or Twitter. You may find contact information in their profiles. Visit websites. Visit the websites of the targeted individuals or companies and look for email addresses on contact pages or contact us pages. Use search tools. Use search engines like Google to search for contact information, entering the names of individuals or company names with keywords like email or contact. Utilize email extraction tools. There are online tools that can help you extract email addresses from web pages such as hunter.io or snov.io. Remember to use these tools in compliance with privacy policies and local laws. Engage in networks and forums. Participate in forums and groups related to your field and interact with people there. There may be opportunities to share contact information with those you get to know. Attend events and webinars. Attend community events or webinars in your field and expand your network. You can also use these opportunities to gather contact information. Use personal email. You may receive emails from others in the same field. Use these emails to introduce yourself and request to be added to their mailing list. Respect privacy policies. Always remember to respect privacy policies and local laws when collecting and using personal contact information. Use list management tools. When collecting emails, use list management tools like MailChimp or Constant Contact to send emails efficiently and legally. Remember that email collection should be done ethically and legally, and you should respect privacy policies and local and international laws.